This is a Visor replacement clip for a 2013 Audi Q5. This replacement clip is just one off Amazon. What we'll need is, I'm using a little chiseler or a thin piece of plastic, something that to not mark the ceiling. And we have, this is our replacement clip. What we'll want to do is we'll want to get the plastic in between the two pieces of plastic on the factory one, pop off the top, and then pull these clips out. All right. It is very similar looking to the factory one. It's kind of the sheen that's really different. It looks a little smoother, slightly shinier, where the existing one is a little bit more matte. The one thing I did notice with this is you can just replace the clip portion and use your existing cover on it if you like, so that nobody will be able to tell the difference. All right, so let's get to it. So we'll take the thin wedge piece of plastic, get it in between the two. It's easier when you can use both hands. Popped off, get the plastic in between them, and just pull it out like that. Grab the replacement one from Amazon, slide it in. If you forget which way the clip goes, just check on your driver's side. The opening is going to go to the back, and when it comes to your actual clip covering, the rounded portion will go to the front, the square portion will go toward the back of the vehicle. So we can just line it up, slide it on and snap, plug it in, and we're good to go. Easy fix. And on this one I did use the factory cover for it, so it really doesn't look any different. Even the one that came with it, it's very similar. I don't think anybody would be able to notice the difference.